Today I'm going to go over a quick and easy way to back up your documents in Windows. The software we're going to go over is Cobiansoft. I've been using for about probably 12 years now, and it's pretty easy. It's actually not really supported anymore. They're not putting out any new versions, at least as of right now, but it's something that I've been using for quite a while and it still works good. So if you go to Cobiansoft.com and you can click download here under Cobian Backup 11 and click here, download. Depending on the browser you're using, probably show up down here, or it may show up in the top right if you're using Firefox under the downloads. Once it's finished, go ahead and run. And next, accept, next, next. Go ahead and use local system account. Leave the top as a service and leave it checked auto start. If you're wanting to do scheduled, that way you don't have to manually start it, otherwise you could manually start it. Hit yes, install, and then done. Once it's finished, you'll have a little icon in the bottom right corner, Cobian Backup 11 Gravity. Right click, go to open, and we're going to click the plus sign, which is create a new task. You can say weekly backup. For this example, I'm just going to do like a once weekly Friday backup or something. We'll do full backups. You can do incremental or differential to use less drive space, especially if you're doing like nightly backups. If you're just going to do once weekly, I would do full. Files. The primary files for most people, the easiest would be to go directory, and you can actually, if it shows this, you can actually just click that and hit OK. That's basically your user profile directory. Mine is named Candlemass. Yours would be something different, but it'll have like a little icon there for your user profile. Otherwise, go under this PC, go see users, and then you'll have your user folder, and you would just click that and hit OK. So see users, your user folder. Destination, you're going to want to set the directory to your backup drive, which is most likely going to be an external USB hard drive, like 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, etc. that you get from the store is what I would recommend. This is actually a flash drive that I'm using just to demonstrate, but then schedule, we're going to do weekly, Fridays, and I'll just do it for 11 p.m. and full copies to keep. Depending on how much data you have to back up and how much drive space you've got on whatever the device is that you're using for your backups, you may want to adjust this to like 10 or 15. Less if you have a lot of stuff to back up and not a lot of drive space. Essentially, if you were to put this to 10, it's going to do 10 backups. Once it hits the 11th, it's going to erase your oldest backup. So you've got 10 of the most recent backups. So I'll leave that there. I don't typically do any compression or encryption. And for the rest of the stuff, we'll just go ahead and leave it. And essentially, now every week, Friday nights at 11, I'm going to have a backup of right at 32 gigs going to what would be my external hard drive. One thing that you do want to do at least once in a while is check your backup drive and make sure that it's showing your files there, that they are accessible. A lot of people fail to do that, and then you have your hard drive fail. You go to pull a recovery from your backup drive, and your backup drive has failed. So hopefully this helps you out. It's a quick and easy way to show you how to do backups of your most valuable files. Thanks.
Hey, yo, raise 'em up.